Families living in these windy houses at Sand Vlei were evacuated after the nearby Eerste River overflowed due to heavy rains. Residents are currently receiving assistance in the form of food and blankets at Macassar Civic Centre.
Housing. We've been on housing lists for more than 20 years. We were born here, but other people have more facilities. There's no transport, sanitation or rubbish removal. We just want better treatment.
Local NGOs are also lending a hand.
We're actually now busy assisting the flood victims of Sand Vlei. Our role was there just to identify where the areas is, and actually what we saw there is the need for the people for blankets as well as food parcels.
The City of Cape Town's disaster management is also on standby.
We have riverine flooding, which is a bit of a potential of a threat to the people, and we had to evacuate two communities. One in Macassar, where the Klein Zoute has overflown and burst its banks, and where after the other situation is in Macassar, the Eerste River, 8 households had to be evacuated to safety. Now, that is a potential major emergency because the water system is strong, running very strong. The City of Cape Town is providing assistance in terms of relief efforts to those affected people.
Warmer temperatures are expected in the Cape Peninsula on Sunday.